Hello beautiful people, I'm so glad that you guys have joined me yet again for another video. This video I will be curling my hair and showing you guys how I got this beautiful look. And I just want to say thank you to all of my returning subscribers and those who have written a testimonial for me for my application to become a part of the Sephora Squad 2022. I love you guys so much. It was a giant faith step for me, and so I just want to get that out in the beginning of this video. But y'all already know how my heart feels. Y'all know that I'm just trying to be the best influencer servant that I can be for you guys. And so thank you so much for your kind words. You guys know my love language is words of affirmation. And so receiving those, for those who have sent it to me, what they wrote, it has meant so much, like, for me. I'm kind of getting emotional talking about it again. But anyways, this video is to the point. I'm not going to ramble. I'll do that in my next girl talk. But guys, this video is to the point. I part my hair, got it in sections, and I curl it, alternating my curls. So some I curl towards the face, some I curl towards the back of my head. And I didn't use a comb. I didn't use a brush. I just used my hands and clips in a big barrel. I think it's like 1.5 inch barrel curling wand. I don't have a link, but I will see if I have a link in the description bar, because this is something I bought when I was at TJ Maxx years ago. But honestly, any curling iron or curling wand you find will do the job, as long as it is 1.5 inches or bigger, okay? But yep, let's get into it, guys. Grab your water. You know how I feel. You need to drink your water. But yeah, girl. So as you can see, I am curling my hair, and then I'm just taking my bedhead freeze spray. I will have it also linked in the bottom. This is one of the most, I feel like most influencers have this product. If they don't, then they just probably don't do like lace front lay downs and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, this product right here is a really good holding hairspray. I just spray it on my curl before it cools down, and I hold the curl so that way it could kind of keep its form before it drops. And I find that it did its job. I don't try to spray my hair too much because I don't want it to be too stiff, and I don't want it to have like a cast of any sort. And so I recommend it. I think it will do you well, especially if you want to get results like mine. Guys, like, use the products people recommend, because we have tried it, we have tested it, and it's true. I mean, if you try it and it does not work for you, I understand if you use an alternative. If you want another alternative, can't speak, yes I can, but if you want another alternative, my next favorite hairspray would be the Tresemme Extra Hold. It's something I keep in my kit for when I do brides and like makeup for people. I mean, makeup or hair. I don't spray. Guys, wait, let me explain myself. I don't use hairspray on my makeup clients. It's just whenever I say kit, it's always referring to my makeup and hair kit. But Tresemme is something I have kept in my kit for the last few years. Whenever I do hairstyles for my brides, or even birthdays, or even baby showers, you know, any of those like fun events most women like to pay and get catered to, that is also there. Don't know why it took me so long to get that out, but guys, bear with me. Whenever I do voiceovers, I just feel like I either speak too much or I don't speak enough, and I feel like I'm rushing to talk. But anyways, in this clip, I am trying to figure out whether or not I'm doing the middle or the side part, and so I think I had decided, okay, you know what, I'm going to do the side part. I checked the votes. It was 50-50 still, and so I just opted to what my husband liked, because he also voted, but I also like to see what the majority is. So if the majority ends up being like it's a tie both ways, I just default to what Emmanuel chooses, because that's my man and he's the one that sees me the most and in real life and all that, and I just love my baby. So anyway, so I decided to do a heavy side part. And this is how I part out that crown area and how I curl it. As I said before, I alternate the sections with my curling iron, my curling wand for those who are very technical, curling to the face and away from the face, and I spray it down, girl. Like, after I do all of these sections, I spray my whole head down with so much hairspray. Not to the point where I get, like I said, you guys, where it's stiff or I feel like I'll get a cast, but just enough to make it hold, because after I do my hair, I'm going to finish getting dressed, and then I will finger comb it out. And so, guys, this whole process took me about, I want to say 20 minutes, but obviously I sped it up because I didn't want you guys sitting here for 20 minutes as I curled my hair. I feel like you guys have certain things that you need to do whenever I watch hair like tutorials. It's because I'm trying to do my hair at the same time and I don't have time to just be like trying to figure it out. So here we go. My hand had so much hairspray and I just wanted to show you guys the shininess. It was so sticky, but here I am after I put my clothes on. Emmanuel's in my office and we're just chatting because we had a lot to do that day. That's why I didn't really speak to you guys when I filmed this video. I decided that in order to be successful, I had to record, do the voiceover because we had a few events that day. And so I didn't even get to do a girl talk with this hair, y'all. And I know my girls would have loved this, but anyways, I digress. This is the look. I finger comb it out. I honestly thought to myself I should have cut layers into my hair because then it would have just laid a lot different, like it would have more volume, but neither here nor there. You guys know I have like heat damage right now, and so your girl's just trying to thrive. And so this is the look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope I didn't waste your time, which I know I didn't because you stayed to the end. I love you. Don't forget, you are beautiful, you are brilliant, you are blessed, and don't you ever let anyone dim your light. I love you guys. Again, voiceovers makes me feel like I'm talking too much or talking too long. I love you. Peace.